tanker collided with oil barges, one capsized, major spill, Houston. LPG tanker Genesis River collided with barges pushed by tug Voyager on the Houston Ship Channel at Light 7174, at around 1515 LT May 10, while proceeding down the channel, en route from Houston to Port Said. One barge capsized, another one was badly damaged, leaking its cargo of reformate, refined product that is blended with gasoline to boost octane. Each barge carried some 25,000 barrels of reformate. Some 25,000 barrels feared to already leak. Port Houston Fire Department fireboat plus oil spill response, air monitoring and salvage personnel are responding, the Coast Guard said. Tanker, which suffered bow damages, was taken to Shady Oaks Harbor, just abeam of collision site, and berthed. LPG tanker Genesis River, IMO 9,791,224, DWT 54,149, built 2017, flag Panama, manager K-Line Energy Ship Management, Japan.